Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today. So today is the last video for the month of July. I'm sad to see the series going, but I'm excited for the next week's video. It's gonna be really exciting. The theme for the month of August will be really exciting. So today we're doing the pink lemonade soap, which is inspired obviously by the drink pink lemonade. As you can see, I started by mixing off the colors, and then we have the lye water solution that contains some Tassa silk added into the batter which contains the oils and butters, all of them melted together, mixed with some kaolin clay, colloidal oatmeal, aloe vera juice, and coconut milk. And after that, we go and we split off the batter into the portions needed. So I put one portion on the side, which is for the piping. I use the same soap recipe for the piping. And then I have 3 portions for 3 different colors that are going to go into that soap. And after we split off the batter, we will add the colors to each one of them. I will be using white, pink and yellow. After we mix the colors in, we add the fragrance blend to each portion, and then we start pouring the soap into the molds. Now the fragrance blend that I used in this one is a very interesting one. It has some fragrance, some strawberry fragrance oil, some raspberry fragrance oil, and some Ming Fern and lavender fragrance oil. So the citrusy from the Ming Fern, the citrus tones are there, the mandarin and lemon. And then we have also the lavender that's adding some undernotes, plus the strawberries and raspberries makes it very similar to a pink lemonade. In last week's video, I was surprised by the acceleration that I was getting. I was even wondering between myself, is it because I'm blending fragrance oils together? Now in this one, to my surprise, I blended 3 fragrances and I had no acceleration. It was really pourable, workable all the time, so that's why I could do a very nice drop swirl design into the soap. When I saw it behaving well, I was really happy. And you will see now I added the fragrances, I'll mix them in and I'll start pouring into the mold. So I went with a drop swirl design. And after that, of course, we piped the top with some white piping and added to it some raspberry embeds and then a lemon slice in between. And here we are pouring the soap. As you can see, it's still runny, fluid. It's like a soaper's dream when the fragrance behaves this way. So as you can see, I can do those swirls without even using the hanger. And the design came out really nice. Now I hope you enjoy watching it. If you do, give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos, and especially next week when we're announcing a new theme for the month of August. So I will leave you now to watch the rest of the video. You will see the piping, the embeds, the cut of the video the next day. So until next week, see you again soon. Stay positive, keep smiling, enjoy yourself, do something that you like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.